Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will take a look at how to save a section in Squarespace. Now don't forget to hit that like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're updated whenever we upload a new video. Stick until the very end so you don't miss a single detail. Now let's just go ahead and go into our Squarespace right here and let's go ahead and load up a website that we want to go ahead and choose to save a section. So say for example, let's go on this one right here. So I'm just going to load up a website that we are working on, and then say for example this is our website, and then I'm going to be going on edit right here. Now in this edit we can go ahead and take a look at all of the different sections. So say for example that we like this section right here. For us to be able to save it, all we need to do is to take a look at this icon right here where we can see this heart icon. So that is the save section. What that allows us to do is that, say for example, we want to add this save section. All we need to do is go on add section right here, and then under the save sections tab, we can go ahead and take a look at the sections that we have saved. So say for example we've taken this one, so now it just allows us to add this section into this. We can also go ahead and use this on a new website. So say for example you're working on something and you want to be able to save the same details in there, then all you need to do is just go ahead and save the section and then load it up on a different website. And there you go. I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.